20 years ago, video games looked like bad dreams made of polygons and pixels. Characters had faces that barely moved, physics that didn't make sense, and worlds that felt like cardboard sets. Now games like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and No Man's Sky generate living, breathing worlds with weather systems, AI personalities, and cinematic lighting. They feel real enough that sometimes your brain forgets they're not. Movies like Ready Player One and Don't Worry, Darling take it even further, each a mirror pointed at our growing obsession with simulated perfection. Ready Player One makes escape into a virtual universe seem not only possible, but preferable. Don't Worry, Darling traps its characters inside a carefully engineered illusion, a digital paradise built on lies. So, let's ask the uncomfortable question. If our simulations are already this convincing, what if we're not the ones running them? Philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed the idea that advanced civilizations could simulate entire universes, and if they can, they probably will, because running a simulation is far easier than building an entire universe from scratch. If that's true, the math turns weirdly in favor of the unsettling conclusion: there are likely billions of simulated realities for every one base reality. So statistically, odds are we're inside a simulation right now. Elon Musk once said the chances we're living in base reality are 1 in billions. He's half joking maybe, but even scientists, philosophers, and AI engineers now discuss this as a real possibility, not late-night stoner talk. Ever had déjà vu so strong it made you freeze? That eerie sense that you've been here before, said these words before, lived this exact moment. Science blames memory errors, but some people say it feels too intentional, too coded to be coincidence. If you've ever seen a video game glitch, a character floating midair, a world texture failing to load, you know the feeling. The real world has its own strange anomalies, too. Repeating number patterns, improbable coincidences, and moments that feel like lag in the fabric of reality. Are we catching glimpses of the system refreshing itself? The trajectory of realism is undeniable. What once looked like blocky cartoons now looks indistinguishable from film footage. Give it a few more decades, and AI could generate fully sentient digital beings who believe they're alive, just like us. If we're about to do that, what's to stop another civilization more advanced, more ancient, from having already done it? If simulations can nest inside simulations, how deep does the recursion go? Is The Matrix a documentary? Maybe that line isn't a meme anymore. The Matrix asked one of the oldest human questions in the newest possible way. How do you know what's real? If you can't tell the difference between a simulation and reality, does it matter which one you're in? Timeline fragment 003.